Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Shitul and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn what is sort method in Python, what is sorted function in Python, then we will discuss the difference between sort and sorted in Python. What is sort method in Python? The sort method in Python can be used to sort number of values or strings in the list. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine an example of sort method in Python. This is a simple example that uses the sort method to arrange a list of numeric values in ascending order. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the 5 numeric values 5, 2, 3.14, 1 and -7 and assign it to the variable mylist. In the next statement, I call the list sort method. By default, the sort method sorts the items in a list in ascending order. The print statement print mylist will print the output. The output is -7, 1, 2, 3.14 and 5. In the next statement, I call the sort method again and assign it to the variable r. My point here is to show you that the return value of the sort method is none. That means the sort method does not create a new list, rather the list is modified in place. The print statement print r will print none. Syntax: sort key equals none, reverse equals false. The sort method accepts two optional arguments that can only be passed by keyword. The two keyword parameters are reverse and key. If you want to know details about sort method, you can watch our YouTube video. Link is given in the description box. What is sorted function in Python? The sorted function in Python returns a new sorted list from the items in an iterable, such as a list, tuple, string, set or dictionary. This means the sorted function in Python can be used to sort the elements of the given iterable, such as a list, tuple, string, set or dictionary. Example: this is a simple example that uses the sorted built-in function to arrange a list of numeric values in ascending order. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the 5 numeric values 5, 2, 3.14, 1 and -7 and assign it to the variable mylist. In the next statement, we call the sorted function. Here we passed this list to the sorted function and assign it to the variable new list. By default, the sorted function sorts the items in a list in ascending order. The print statement print new list will print the sorted list. The output is -7, 1, 2, 3.14 and 5. The next print statement print mylist will print the original list. The sorted function does not modify the original list, it returns a new list leaving the original list unchanged. The sorted function has two optional arguments, key and reverse, which must be specified as keyword arguments. Syntax: sorted, iterable, key equals none, reverse equals false. Difference between sort and sorted. The sort in Python is a built-in method in Python. The sorted in Python is a built-in function in Python. The sort method is limited to lists. The sorted function, on the other hand, takes any iterable such as a list, tuple, string, set or dictionary. The sort method does not create a new sorted list, rather the list is modified in place. The sorted function does not modify the original iterable. It returns a new list, leaving the original iterable unchanged. The sort method returns none. The sorted function returns a new sorted list. The sort method requires less memory because it does not create a new sorted list. The sorted function requires more memory because it creates a new sorted list. The sort method is less convenient than the sorted function, but if you do not need the original list, the sort method is slightly more efficient. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Next video is mean in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.